Welcome to Web Technologies by Lynn. The relationship between HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. HTML, CSS, and JavaScript is just like a car. HTML is the frame of the car without any decorations. CSS is the artwork on the car, such as the color, style, leather seats, and so on. JavaScript is like the touchscreen panel and other functions that you can interact with. For more example, a web page with only HTML looks like this, plain with only Word documents and links to other sites. When you add on CSS, color comes in and it makes the web page more beautiful. With JavaScript, is on a whole lot next level. It interacts with you. So if you click on this robot, it pops this up. HTML introduction. What is HTML? HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language, which is used for creating web pages. It is a standard format for documents on the World Wide Web. Browsers read the HTML codes and displays the contents. A markup language is composed of multiple sets of markup tags that describe the structure of a web page. HTML tags label pieces of content such as heading, paragraph, image, and so on. HTML consists of a series of elements which are represented by tags that tell the browsers how to display the content. Browsers do not display the HTML tags, but use them to render the content of the page. HTML page structure. This is the basic structure of an HTML5 document. Only the content inside the body section is displayed on the browser. The doc type declaration represents the document type and helps the browser to display the web pages correctly. Here is an example of an HTML code. On a browser, it will display this. The doc type HTML declaration defines this document to be HTML5. All HTML documents must start with a document type declaration. Doc type HTML. The HTML element is the root of an HTML page. The HTML document itself begins with HTML, then ends with /HTML. The head element contains meta information about the document. The title element specifies a title for the document. The body element contains the visible page content. The visible part of the HTML document is between body and /body. The H1 element defines a large heading. The P element defines a paragraph. And the ING element defines images. HTML tags or element names are surrounded by angle brackets. For example, this. HTML tags normally come in pairs like H1 and /H1. The first tag in a pair is the start tag, and the second tag is the end tag. The end tag is written like the start tag, both a / inserted before the tag name. Tip: the start tag is called the opening tag, and the end tag is called the closing tag. HTML element. An HTML element usually consists of a start tag and an end tag, with the content inserted between. The HTML element is everything from the start tag to the end tag. For example, H1 about me /H1. HTML attributes. An HTML attribute provides additional information about an HTML element. All HTML elements can have attributes. Attributes provide additional information about an element. Attributes are always specified in the start tag. Attributes usually come in name/value pairs like name equals quote value unquote. For example, this should produce this.